Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and delete Gmail from iPhone? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are two ways that you can actually go ahead and remove it. So one's going to be removing from the iPhone's mail app, all right? And the second way is going to be by removing from the Gmail app itself, right? So what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and look for the mails right over here. So let me just go ahead and head into applications, look for mails, and then click on that. And now once you've done that, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the accounts and then delete your account from here. Or you could also completely change it right over here from default mail app to just mail from Gmail. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.